Welcome to this video. This video is to invite you to a very special 5-day quick start. If you're interested in building an Amazon affiliate site and you're interested in doing it in a way that will actually rank in 2022, then you're in the right place. The best thing that you can do now is subscribe to the channel, because tomorrow I'm going to start a totally free 5-day quick start where we touch on the main areas of what you need to have a successful Amazon affiliate site, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So this idea came about from a video that I actually did yesterday. It was a checklist for the main things that you have to have in place to actually have a profitable Amazon affiliate site. And then it got me thinking, with the changes and updates and Google updates and so on, I wanted to do a refresher and give you a 5-day quick start, something that you can follow. So this will really work for you. If you're brand new and you've never done this before, you'll definitely want to be involved in it, so subscribe. If you need a refresher, you're going to love this, and it will just give you a step-by-step way of getting up and running. One thing to say is tomorrow you will when you get the first video, there's an opt-in where you can get some assets as well. So you'll get like downloads and you'll get like checklists and things to follow through, because you'll want to put this into action and start getting results. But I'm going to show you the main things that make this easier. Before we get into it, because I'm going to show you what I'm going to show you in this video. Before we get into it, do check out the link below as well. There's only 19 hours left on the clock. If you want to make this thing a whole lot easier for you and you're interested in following the quick start, check out Azon Turbo sites. There's not a lot of time left, and ultimately what it will give you is a way that you can build Amazon affiliate sites that will work at the click of a button. So the whole thing will be set up at the click of a button, and you will get the templates inside the actual site, so you just have to follow the paint by numbers instructions. And that means that not only can you create sites super fast, you're just uploading a file and it's all created, but you'll be able to write content that will actually rank and will give you a huge advantage over most people. So this isn't a spun site or a push button site. It will give you a real site and a really fast way of doing it, and you can use this in conjunction with the quick start. It will really help you because it allows you to get set up really quickly with real content. I can't stress that enough. So do check that out. There's not a lot of time left on the clock. So what I'm going to be showing you over the next 5 days is all of the pieces of the puzzle and showing you how to do each part. So we're going to talk about picking a niche. We're going to talk about the general setup, what you have to bear in mind. We're going to, like with the setup of the site, we're going to talk about content and explore different ways of writing content. We're going to explore SEO and ranking as well. And we're going to explore tracking. So the actual free course, the 5-day quick start, will probably go on more 7 days, but 5 main videos that you can follow. And the way you will benefit out of it is you will know that you're actually building sites that will rank and make you money. With these sites, you can then go and flip them on Flipper, or you can build them up and create an asset for yourself that will pay you monthly. But if you don't follow this quick start, I dare say, or if you've got outdated information, or if you're just trying to do this with article spinners, you're just going to drive yourself mad and go round in circles, because the way I build these sites is a bit different to what you may have seen. The main difference being is I've worked with SEO since 2003, so all of that time, and also ranking business sites, so not just affiliate sites. Affiliate sites are far easier than ranking actual businesses and ranking for really competitive key phrases. So I know my stuff when it comes to SEO, and that's essentially what you need to know to be able to rank sites. So if you want to learn a way of incorporating the SEO in a way that will actually get you ranked, a lot of it goes into the content as well, and how you're writing the content. Essentially, you're giving Google what they ask for without trying to cut corners, and I'll show you that during this quick start. Do subscribe to the channel, because there will be, as I say, there'll be an opt-in tomorrow, and you'll be able to get downloads and you'll be able to get stuff that will help. And you also get notified as soon as the videos become available. And also, if you want to make this far quicker and like with what I've said about the setup of the sites and the content, and make it far easier on yourself so you can get following the quick start and start getting results faster, check out Azon Turbo Sites. The link is here, and the link is in the description, and you'll be able to build sites far faster, the click of a button. So do check that out. This video explains everything, but you'll be able to pick it up on the actual site as well and get going straight away. So I will see you tomorrow. Excited to do it. I'm looking forward to showing you this stuff. Do subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for your 5-day quick start for 2022, showing you how to build profitable Amazon affiliate sites so you can get going and start getting results. Looking forward to it, and I'll see you then.